Hi everyone! So we are going to seal the spit projects today. First that will be the tiles, and if you noticed it kind of looks really bad on the back, so I would recommend if you're going to sell these or keep them you just want to tape off the back. But this one I went around and kind of re-wet the spit just to smooth it and make it look a little better. Like this. Since spit is more water-based, you're gonna be able to re-wet it, and that's why you have to seal it, because it's so easy to just come off. And then this doesn't come off, but what I'm going to do is just seal the back once. So today I'm using this wipe on poly. And I take an old sock with a hole in it, and I always reuse. And I just put it over my hand. Uh-oh. Okay, and just put a little on there. And I like wipe on oil poly. It's easy. And you just go like this. Get all the sides. And with wipe on poly, you probably need about, I would say 4 to 5 coats, and I've done more. But the easy thing about it is it doesn't really bubble, and it just feels like you can get it done faster, even though it's more layers. And that one's done. Add a little more. We'll see how that deepens the color quite a bit. Go back over the opposite way. Done. Next. It's kind of nice to have a few projects ready to go. Now you might have seen this, and this is for the Barbie table. And I painted it black at the bottom. So we'll just take it and go right over it. Now we'll wait for that to dry and do it again about 5 more times. Okay, I'm here to do another coat. I'm going to be doing a lot of coats, so I'll probably just skip through to the end and show you. But as I said, I recommend about 4 to 5. And I just have this bag here and put the sock in the bag. But I recommend the oil-based sealers. A lot of people don't like the yellowing, and it happens. And so you could also spray paint this with a clear coat, and then you could use a water-based over it. So that's an option. There's also the option of epoxy, which I love, but there is a learning curve. It's not as easy. It's like working with melting plastic, and it's, you know, super hard. Some people have allergies to it. I haven't yet. I really like epoxy, but it's not always something I want to just go straight for and use first. This is quite easy. I'm standing in the light a little bit. So we'll go over this 6 times, let's say. You can get the glare. It soaks in. The first 2 or 3 soak right in. Even when applying by a brush and where it's not the wipe on, you'll still get that. Drying times for the wipe on, I give it about half an hour. You could just touch it and feel, but half an hour is for me. Okay. So, we'll give it a couple more coats and we'll see what it looks like when it's done.